Hello, today I'm going to show you the awesome hair screw tool. Anti-tangle conical brush bar. It picks up long hair and pet hairs too. And it's fast. It's motor driven cleaning for small spaces. It is a perfect additional part for my Dyson V15 Detect, and it's so awesome to use. The hair screw tool has an anti-tangle conical brush bar, spirals the hair off and into the bin. It's motor driven cleaning for small spaces. If you have a dog or a cat or a human with long hairs, you can easily use this additional part to clean the entire rooms from the hairs itself, because everywhere will be hairs, of course. And to let them go away, we can use that kind of stuff. It's really awesome and really easy, because you can dock it on your vacuum cleaner and then it will be enabled if you go to automatic or hard mode or soft mode, etc. And then the entire hairs will get off and go to the vacuum cleaner. Of course, you have to clear blockage from our hair screws tool, maybe. Our hair screw tool doesn't have a washable brush bar. To maintain optimum performance, we have to check the brush bar regularly and clear any obstructions. And to do this, it's really easy. We have to make sure that our machine is disconnected from the charger and take care not to touch the trigger. Then we have to remove the cover and the brush bar. We remove the hair screw tool from the wand of the machine. We push the base plate open. Press the red lever down to release the cleaner head cover. Ooh, that's easier, isn't it? The curved looking lever located on the back of the tool itself. And then we can perform it. We remove the cover and the brush bar itself. Then we remove the hair screw tool from the machine, and we pull the cleaner head cover off the main body of the tool. Then we have it unlocked, and then we can remove any hair or fibers which have been wrapped around the brush bar. Maybe it will be possible that this can happen. Then we can clean it easy, as you can see. We look for obstructions. We pull our brush bar firmly from the main body. Then we check and remove any obstruction from the three parts of the hair screw tool. Our hair screw tool isn't washable, okay? We wipe over with a damp, lint-free cloth. If we don't put a part of it in a machine, in a dishwasher, or a detergent, or a polisher, or a refresher, or anyone else, then we can reassemble the hair screw tool, or replace it, of course. We put our brush bar back into position and press firmly until it clicks back into position. We check the red locking lever is in the unlocked position. Align the cleaner head cover with the guide on the main body. We push down until it clicks into position. And then we push the red locking lever up until it clicks into position and push the base plate back into place. Job's done. Then we can have more fun with it, because the performance will rise up so much. Yeah, with no obstacles inside, it's no problem to use this hair screw tool again and again and again. It's an anti-tangle conical brush bar, spirals hair off and into the bin. It's motor-driven cleaning for smaller places. Awesome device. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun Sun.